Hey there, entrepreneur. Welcome to our video. Are you interested in starting your own business but don't know where to begin? Today we're going to talk about a way to start your own online store that's easy and doesn't require a lot of money to get started. It's called dropshipping. Dropshipping is a type of online retail business where you don't have to keep any physical products in stock. Instead, you list items for sale on your website, and when someone makes a purchase, you then order that item from a supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means that you don't have to worry about storing or shipping products, and you only have to pay for the items that you've already sold. This is a great way to start a business because it allows you to test different products and market without having to invest a lot of money upfront. So, how do you get started? The first thing you'll need is a website where you can list your products. There are many website building platforms that you can use, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms make it easy to create a professional-looking website without needing to know how to code. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll be able to choose from a variety of templates and customize your website to make it look unique. The design of your website is important. It should be user-friendly and easy to navigate. This will help to keep your visitors on your site longer. Once you have your website set up, you'll need to find suppliers that dropship the products you want to sell. You can find suppliers through wholesale directories or by searching online. Be sure to research the suppliers before you start working with them to make sure they are legitimate and have good reviews. You will also want to make sure that the suppliers have a good selection of products that you can list on your website. A good idea is to start with a niche, a specific category of products that you are passionate about. It will make it easier for you to research and find good products to sell. You'll want to make sure the supplier has a good reputation, low return rate and affordable shipping, as this will help you make a profit. When you have your website and suppliers set up, you can start listing items for sale on your site. Make sure to take good pictures of the products, write clear and detailed descriptions, and set fair prices. You can also use videos to show your products in action and give a more in-depth look of the products. Make sure the pictures are clear and well lit. It will make your products look more professional and attractive to potential customers. Also, make sure to highlight any unique features or benefits of the products you are selling. Promoting your store is an important step to get more people to visit. You can do this by using social media, search engine optimization, and Google AdWords. These are ways to get your store in front of more people who are looking for the products you are selling. You can also look for influencers in your niche and see if they are willing to promote your store for a fee, or in exchange for free products. Networking and building a relationship with other entrepreneurs or influencers can help you with exposure, collaborations, and even new ideas. It's important to track your sales, your inventory, and your costs so you know what's working and what's not. Make sure you keep good records so you know how much money you're making and where you can improve. Pay attention to your analytics and see which products are more popular, which pages are getting more visits and which marketing strategies are working better. Use this information to optimize your store and make adjustments as needed. Another important aspect of your business is customer service. This means making sure that you respond quickly to any questions or concerns your customers might have, and handling any issues or returns professionally. This can help you build a good reputation and increase the likelihood of repeat customers. Finally, don't be afraid to make changes, pivot, and try new things. Business is a process of trial and error, and it's okay to make mistakes. The important thing is to keep learning and keep trying new things. Stay updated with the latest trends in your niche, and be open to new ideas and opportunities. With time and effort, You can grow your business and expand your product line. Starting your own business is a great way to learn about responsibility, money management, and marketing. With dropshipping, it's easy to get started and you can grow your business over time. Remember that starting a business is not easy. It requires patience and hard work, but it can be a lot of fun and rewarding. Please don't forget to give the video a like if you enjoy our content and subscribe to make sure you don't miss our future uploads. Thanks for watching and good luck on your new business adventure.